Let's take a quick peek at today's smart home server rack installation. Cooling and UPS battery at the bottom as usual. Then the audio amplifier that powers all of our landscape speakers. Then the Sonos amplifiers that we have for music and TV audio throughout every room. These amps are usually called upon individually when our app or handheld remote chooses an activity within a space that has a TV and speakers. They can then be grouped together as needed, spreading TV audio or music where desired. Above that we have the zone players that send source audio to the non-Sonos amplifiers. Then we have our front-facing power strips to give the customer control over power of certain devices. Above that we have some more cooling, of course. Then our PoE network switch to manage all of the home's network-connected equipment like cameras, TVs, doorbell, chimes, Wi-Fi access points, audio-video, lighting, shades, office equipment, monitored security and control processors. Then we have our managed network gateway and cloud access for remote troubleshooting. Next up is our customer-owned cable modem with 1 gig port. Above that is our video sources to feed our HDMI matrix system. This includes DirecTV and Roku Ultra in every room. Gaming systems are placed local in each gaming area. Then we have our main control system processor. This device runs our remotes, apps and talks with other systems and processors around the home. And finally, here is our main floor HDMI matrix system by AV Pro. Any video source can be sent to any or all TVs with the added bonus of having the ability to extract audio from the video source and sending it to that specific room's amplifier to feed source audio through the ceiling speakers. Next time we will head upstairs to talk about how we built the customer's 8K home theater with anamorphic to 3:5:1 and 16:9 viewing capabilities. Long live smarter homes.